video, I'm going to show you how to implement the file transfer protocol, or be known as FTP, by using FileZilla and also Wireshark. So first of all, you need to download the FileZilla server and also FileZilla client, and also by using a Wireshark to capture the data connection between the server and the client. So first of all, we need to open up the FileZilla server. After that, we need to connect to the server, and as you can see, in this case I've created an account for the server, which the hostname is 127.0.0.1 and the port number is 14148, and also the password. After that, you can see from here we are connected to the server already, and the next thing we're gonna do is to configure the server. So we need to move on to this user part, and in here, as you can see, we have added a user named Chia, and we need to add the native path into the user. And as you can see, I'm using the path from the FTP server located in the document. So in this case, I will open up the file property and copy the file path, and I will put it in this native path. And after that, we need to set up other authentication mode, where in this case we will require a password to log in, and also the access mode for read and write, and after that we can apply. Now for the next part of the video, we will set up the FileZilla client, and before that we need to open up our Wireshark application, and then we will select the interface for adapter for loopback traffic, and now we can move on to the FileZilla client. And after we open up the FileZilla client, we need to navigate to the site manager, and here we need to add our new site, which in this case I will add the user, which is Chia. Then we will select the FTP protocol and enter the host name, and also the default port number, which is 21. And for the encryption, we need to choose only use plain FTP, and then we key in the username and also the password, and now we can connect to the server. So now, as you can see, we have successfully connected to the server in the directory, where as you can see, in the right hand side of the application, the remote side which represent the server, while the local side represent the client. So in the server side, you can also see that Chia has been successfully connected to the server. So now we will try to perform some uploading or downloading file between the server and client, and as you can see, the server directory or server file is empty now. So we will try to upload some file into the server. You can right click and click upload, or you can just drag the file into the server. So now, as you can see, the text file have been uploaded to the server, and you can now delete the text file in the client. And after that, we will try to upload some image file into the server, and let's say rolling wood. Okay, upload. So now the image has been uploaded to the server. So now for the next part of the video, we'll try to analyze the traffic captured in the Wireshark. So now in Wireshark, we have captured all the packets that transfer between the client and server. So now we need to filter out the FTP packet. So now as you can see, each packet is a response or a request, and all of this response and request is actually the command channel in the FTP. The response is sent from the server while the request is sent by the client. So now we will look into this command. So in this line, the user is requesting for the user chia, and the server is respond by specifying the password, and then the user will send the password, and after that the server will respond that it logged in successfully. And then after that, there is also a series of commands that's sent from the user, and after that the client will try to enter the passive mode, and you can see in this line PASV means passive, and the client will respond by entering the passive mode. And in the protocol you can see that the server is providing the passive port, which is 65515. So now we will try to search for the text file that we sent before. Yeah, here. In this line, the user is requested to store this text file into the server. Yeah, you can see this command, store store. So now we will go into the data channel to search for the data packet. Now here, you can view in the data that transfer into the server, where in here you can see that this is the text file testing for FTP server client connection. And also we have the image that we sent to the server before, and you can find this image by right click. You can go into the PCB screen, and then you can convert this data into raw and then save in your directory. Then now in your directory you can find this image. So that's conclude all the packet that transfer in the FTP protocol. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.